When I relax or watch TV, a cushion plays a very important role. And I am using this cushion recently. Isn't it weird shaped? 変な形じゃない? So I'll talk about it today. 今日は変な形のクッションについて話します。I like this cushion so much. I know its shape is like a teddy bear without its head. So I'm secretly calling this Kuma-chan, as Kuma means bear in Japanese. When I first met this Kuma-chan at Nitori, the same shop I bought kotatsu from, I didn't like it at all. I was like, ooh, this cushion looks very strange. But after I went back home, I started researching and I was shocked when I found out how that cushion was called on the internet. Can you guess? Can you guess how that cushion is called? Well, it is called 人をダメにするクッション. It means like a cushion that spoils people. Isn't it interesting? So I kept researching about it very carefully and decided to buy one in the end. Maybe it was a scheme of Nitori. Now I really like this Kuma-chan. It's very important for my relaxing time. But why this shape? Well, let me introduce you how to use this Kuma-chan. First, aomuke. It's pretty normal position, but this just feels right to me. Second, utsubuse. Now I can use my laptop or read a book in this position. Relaxing. But not for a long time. My chin hurts. Third, yokomuki. This fits me perfectly too. I always fall asleep with this Kuma-chan and my leg in kotatsu. And lastly, aomuke kara no yokomuki. Nothing is perfect. One bad side of this Kuma-chan is, after using it for a while, it hetaru. I don't know how to translate hetaru into English, so I'll explain it to you in a picture. Actually, this Kuma-chan is not the first one. This is my second. I'll show you what happened to my first Kuma-chan. This. Hetatta. Yeah, so this is what hetaru means. My first Kuma-chan was hetatta. Anyway, so that's the only weak point of this cushion, Kuma-chan. It's pretty cool and comfy. It costed me about 1,490 yen, but I had to buy its cover too, which was 699 yen. So in total, it was like 2,189 yen. It's not that expensive. Maybe when you come to Japan, you can check it out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. おやすみなさい。